Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to disable background apps on Windows 10 or 11. So first thing that you would do is simply go ahead and go to the start menu over here. And now just simply search over here guys, apps. And now from here, just simply go for apps and features. Now guys, when you select a certain app, as you can see, let's say I'm gonna go for camera over here. And now you should be able to see here advanced options. So click on advanced options over here. And after that, if we scroll down, we should be able to see here background apps. So just simply turn it off in order for you to turn off the background apps. And guys, when we go back over here, as you can see, some of the application don't have the advanced option feature, but another option that you might want to consider if you want to remove the background apps, you can just simply go ahead and go for the start menu over here and right click on it and go for task manager. And now from here, you should be able to see here all of the application that you have. In order for you to remove the background apps, you can just simply right click on it and just simply select end task in order for you to remove them. And you should be able to do it on the other apps that you don't need anymore. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching guys. See ya.